Supreme Showdown, Trump's birthright citizenship push sparks constitutional crossfire. The High Court's verdict signals a new era in executive power, but leaves America's foundational citizenship clause teetering. In a landmark legal confrontation that intertwines constitutional legacy with contemporary populism, the U.S. Supreme Court delivered a judicial note to former President Donald Trump's efforts to circumvent nationwide judicial blocks on executive authority, reviving on the most incendiary immigration policy in modern memory, the redefinition of birthright citizenship. In a 6-3 ruling authored by Justice Amy Coney Barrett, the conservative majority court curtailed the sweeping power of federal judges to issue nationwide injunctions that have previously paralyzed executive directives. While this decision stops short of granting Trump an outright legal victory on the merits of his controversial birthright citizenship order, it signals a seismic recalibration of judicial oversight in the age of muscular presidential governance. At the core of the ruling lies a delicate judicial calculus. The Supreme Court did not rule on the constitutionality of Trump's executive order, which seeks to deny citizenship to US born children of non citizen parents lacking legal status or permanent residency. Instead, the justices choose to limit the jurisdictional reach of federal trial courts, mandating that relief be confined to the plaintiffs before them unless broader relief is indispensable. While the ruling does not greenlight Trump's policy to go into immediate effect, it returns the legal chessboard to lower courts with explicit instruction to reassess the breadth of their injunction. The verdict introduces a 30-day delay after which the executive order could potentially be enforced in select jurisdiction, creating a fragmented legal reality across the nation. Friday's ruling may signal a judiciary increasingly willing to defer to the executive, especially across conservative leadership. With a 6-3 conservative majority, the Supreme Court has already handed Trump several immigration related wins since his return, from expanded deportation authority to the rescinding a humanitarian protection. But the court has also shown restraint, most notably in blocking his bid to deport Venezuelan migrants without due process. The ruling leaves the legal status of hundreds of thousands of American born children hanging in the balance, dependent on a patchwork of lower court decision, potential class action, and Supreme Court review. For now, the battle over the birthright citizenship remains unresolved but reignited, poised to shape not only legal doctrine but very question of who gets all called themselves American in the 21st century.